Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated, non-hardening modeling clays on the market, Sargent Art Plastilina Modeling Clay. If you're looking for a versatile, long-lasting, and easy-to-use clay, stick around because this product might just be the perfect choice for your creative projects. Now, let's talk about what makes this clay stand out from the rest. First off, it's completely non-hardening. That's right, this clay never dries out, which means you can take your time molding, sculpting, and shaping your creations without worrying about them getting stiff. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, this feature allows you to refine your designs as much as you need. Whether you're working on a fun project with kids, creating prototypes, or exploring the world of claymation, Sargent Art Plastilina is ideal. It's a high-density clay, meaning it holds its shape beautifully. Look at how easily I'm able to mold it into this smooth, intricate design. It's perfect for all kinds of artistic projects, from sculptures to detailed models. Another thing that sets this product apart is how easy it is to clean up. Unlike many other types of modeling clay, this one doesn't crumble or leave stains. It's as simple as a quick wipe with soap and water to get everything back to normal. That means no mess and no stress when it's time to tidy up after your creative session. And while we're on the subject of convenience, let's talk about storage. Sargent Art Plastilina clay is packaged in individual wraps that help keep it fresh for longer. If you want to keep it extra fresh, just place it in a resealable bag to ensure it stays soft and ready for your next creative project. Safety is always a top priority, and this modeling clay has you covered there as well. It's AP certified, non-toxic, and safe for children. It contains no harmful chemicals like latex, dairy, soy, or peanuts, making it a great option for kids, families, and schools. What makes this clay even better is its versatility. You can mix and blend colors to create an endless range of shades. So whether you're making something realistic or dreaming up a fantasy world, the possibilities are limitless. You can even use it for prototypes or detailed models. Basically, if you can imagine it, you can make it. To sum it up, Sargent Art Plastilina Modeling Clay is the best choice if you're looking for something non-hardening, long-lasting, and easy to use. It's perfect for everyone, kids, beginners, and professional artists alike. If you're ready to let your creativity flow, this is the product you've been waiting for. That's all for today's review here on Product Critique. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more of our product insights. See you in the next video, and until then, keep creating.